Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. So the previous lecture was based on the derivation of pressure exerted by an ideal gas, kinetic interpretation of temperature, and I also derived the relationship for root mean square velocity. Now यहाँ पर आज कुछ numericals हम discuss करेंगे based on those topics. So the very first numerical which I am going to discuss here is that at what temperature root mean square velocity of hydrogen molecule is equal to that of an oxygen molecule, which is at 47 degrees centigrade. Listen, the question is like this. You have two molecules, two types of molecules. One is hydrogen molecule H2 and another one is oxygen molecule. That we name it as O2. Now, question क्या है? हमें बताना है, मान लो ये जो ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल यहां दिया है, इट इज केप्ट एट 47 डिग्री. सो लेट द आई विल राइट हियर, आई विल रिप्रेजेंट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल बाय TO. Temperature of oxygen molecule is 47 degrees centigrade. But you know, in this very subject, whether thermodynamics or kinetics, in both the subjects we take the absolute scale. So you will convert it into Kelvin. You will add 273. So it will be how much? 7 plus 3, 10. It is 320 Kelvin. So this will be the temperature of oxygen in Kelvin scale. Now, question सुनो क्या है? Question है, हमें बताओ हाइड्रोजन को हम किस टेम्परेचर पे रखें ताकि जितनी इस ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल की रूट मीन स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी है, लेट आई रिप्रेजेंट इट बाय VORMS. Let I represent the root mean square velocity of hydrogen by VHRMS. As per the question, हमें यह बताना है what should be the temperature of hydrogen gas, what should be the temperature of hydrogen molecule, so that this molecule will have the same root mean square velocity as that of oxygen. जितनी ऑक्सीजन की रूट मीन स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी है उतनी बेटा किसकी होनी चाहिए? हाइड्रोजन की. तो क्वेश्चन है, बताओ आप इस हाइड्रोजन को किस टेम्परेचर पे रखोगे? सो नाउ एज पर द क्वेश्चन given in the question, velocity of root mean square velocity of hydrogen is equal to root mean square velocity of oxygen. Now, what root mean square velocity of hydrogen is equal to? Square root of 3RT divided by M. You might remember this formula. So, T, let I represent it as T of H, temperature of hydrogen. This M is the molecular mass or molecular weight of hydrogen, is equal to VORMS के बदले भी क्या लिखना है? 3RT represents temperature of oxygen divided by M. It represents the molecular mass of oxygen. Now, बेटा क्या होगा यहाँ पे? This square root and this square root will cancel. 3 and 3 will cancel. R and R will cancel. So what should be the temperature of hydrogen so that it would have same root mean square velocity as that of the oxygen? It will be equal to mH divided by m naught multiplied by T naught. What is molecular mass of hydrogen atom? No, I am not talking about the hydrogen atom. I am talking about the hydrogen molecule. You know it has molecular mass of 2. Divided by, what about the molecular mass, molecular atomic weight of oxygen? I am not talking about the atomic weight. I am talking about the atomic or molecular mass of oxygen molecule. It is O2. O you have, you know, O has atomic weight of 16 gram. O2 has 32. So oxygen molecule ka molecular mass 32 hai. You must know this thing. So into temperature of O, that is oxygen, that is 320. So simply you can solve it. 32 ones are 32, 0, 2 tens are 20. So at what temperature you should kept this hydrogen? You should kept the temperature of hydrogen at 20 Kelvin, so that oxygen molecule at this temperature should have the same temperature, should have the same root mean square velocity. So this was the very first numerical. Now let us move to the next numerical. So let us move to the next question. The question is that the root mean square speed of hydrogen, yes it is, no it is oxygen, of oxygen यानी कि O2 molecule लिखा है, oxygen molecule at a certain temperature T yes, at a certain temperature T is V, yes. Then if the temperature is doubled, is very much important question from entrance point of view. बहुत बार बेटा, especially from NEET and especially from these medical entrance examinations, this question is quite important. If the temperature is doubled and oxygen dissociates, ये molecule था ना, it dissociates. It dissociates into atomic oxygen. Yes, it was molecule, now it is dissociated into atom, into atomic. Yes, कहाँ गया? Into atomic oxygen. So now it was initially O2, now it is O. Question is, what will be speed of atomic oxygen? Speed, when I am talking about speed, it is RMS. When it is not given which type of speed, then you should understood that it is RMS. What will be the speed? क्योंकि यहाँ पे already root mean square लिखा है. What will be the speed of atomic oxygen? Now, let me make you understand the question first. The question is like this. You have the oxygen molecule. You have the oxygen molecule, O2. Yes. Now, it is root mean square velocity, VRMS, of O2. Yes, it is V. Then, it is the second one. If the temperature is double. Now, आपने इसका temperature double किया. You are doubling the temperature. It is temperature was T. Now after doubling the temperature, O2 dissociate हो गया. Now it is dissociated into oxygen atoms. Okay, it is O and it is O. अब क्या बताना है? Now the question is that temperature double होके अब बताओ इस एक oxygen atom की root mean square velocity कितनी होगी? Now I want to know what is VRMS of O atom. Yes, तो quite simple it is. आप क्या कर रहे हो? फिर से क्वेश्चन सुनो. You have oxygen molecule, you have kept it at temperature T, it is root mean square velocity is V. Now you have doubled the temperature, this oxygen molecule dissociates into atom. Now I want to know what is the root mean square velocity of this atomic oxygen. Let us apply the formula. VRMS is equal to root of 3RT by M. Yes. Now हमें RMS से रिलेट करना है. चलो बताओ, VRMS ऑफ ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल पहले लेंगे. इनिशियल कंडीशन रूट ऑफ, यस 3R. टेम्परेचर कितना था पहले ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल का? T. मॉलिक्यूलर मास क्या था? इट वाज इनिशियली ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल, एंड यू नो ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल पोजेसेस हाउ मच दिस वेलोसिटी, हाउ मच मॉलिक्यूलर मास? 32. यस. देन अब किसका लोगे? VRMS ऑफ ऑक्सीजन बताओ क्या आएगा? शाबाश. एटम का बताओ. रूट ऑफ 3R ऐसे रखो. टेम्परेचर को डबल किया है, राइट डाउन इट एज 2T. मॉलिक्यूलर मास कितना आएगा? बट नाउ इट इज नॉट ए मॉलिक्यूल, इट इज एटम. इट इज मॉलिक्यूलर और एटॉमिक मास इज 16. सो कितना आएगा ये? 2 8s are 16. सो यहां पर कितना आया था? 3/32. सो आप क्या लिखोगे? दिस इज VRMS ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. कितना आया बेटा? रूट ऑफ 3RT divided by 8. I will do one thing. Root of 3RT by 32 root mean square velocity of oxygen है. So I will do one thing. I will multiply it by 4 and I will divide it by 4. Yes. तो बेटा कितना आएगा बताओ? Root of 4 को ऐसे रखो. 3RT by 32. Yes. But what is root of 3RT by 32? It is root mean square velocity of oxygen molecule, which is represented by V. तो बताओ बेटा क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? यहां पर रूट मीन स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एटम क्या निकला बेटा? रूट ऑफ 4 दैट इज 2 टाइम्स root of 3RT by 32. But you know, root of 3RT by 32 निकली, root means square velocity of oxygen molecule represented by V. So यहाँ निकली root means square velocity 2 times. So बताओ, जब आपने डबल किया टेम्परेचर और यहां पर ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल डिसोशिएट हो गया इनटू एटॉमिक ऑक्सीजन, then what will be the root mean square velocity of that each atomic oxygen? It will be double than that of the root mean square velocity. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? So यहां पर दो क्वेश्चंस हमने यहां पे सॉल्व किए. Let us move to the next question. So the question is like this. Calculate the total number of, let me write down the question. So आप इसको एक बार खुद ट्राई करोगे. मैं क्वेश्चन यहां पे लिख रहा हूं. You will show me it on WhatsApp number. ठीक है? You will send me this question, the solution of this question on WhatsApp number. Question is that calculate the number of molecules, yes, in 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter cube of a perfect gas, at 27 degree. Perfect gas, you know, it is ideal gas, and pressure of the pressure is it is 13.6 into 98 Newton per meter square. Okay, mean kinetic energy of molecule, it is given. Mean kinetic or average kinetic energy of molecule at 27 degrees centigrade is equal to 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 joule. And okay, so this is the question.